What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boy Damien, so stay tuned. We're going to be starting off by budding him out and contouring the line to his head shape. Don't forget to always stretch the skin when balding out. Before we remove the stubble with the foil shaver, we're going to use our shave stick just so he doesn't get ingrown hairs. Now that we're done balding him out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. We're going to extend the side guideline to the back. Make sure to always make the back a little bit thicker due to the high density of hair follicles and the occipital bone. Using the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We're going to continue to use the one guard all the way closed to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is nice and soft, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Switching over to our two guard all the way open, we're going to debulk and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2.5, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Before we move on to our clipper over comb method, we're going to debulk with the 3 guard all the way open and use our combs to feed the hair into the clipper. Using our clipper over comb method, we're going to debulk and blend the top into the sides. Using this method, when the cutting blade is vertical, I'm blending, and when the cutting blade is horizontal, I'm debulking. Moving on to the back, we're going to move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our second guideline. After we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Using our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to debulk and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Moving on to the 1.5 guard, we're going to erase the line completely and then detail with our 1 guard all the way open and our half guard all the way open. Again, before we do our clipper over comb method, we're going to debulk with the 3 guard all the way open and feed the hair into the clipper with the comb. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Using a white clip over comb is the best thing to do so you can see the hair. We saturated the hair a little bit just so I could see the true length with my shears. There were a few hairs that were uneven and overhanging, so I grabbed them with my comb and cut them with my shears. Moving on to the hairline, we're going to lay all the hairs down with our comb and then debulk with the one guard all the way open. Now that we're done debulking with our one guard, we're going to move on to our gold FX and slowly etch in his hairline. Using our Turkish razor and our elegant shave gel, we're going to make them as crispy as possible.